Hi, welcome to DIY Chip Daddy. Today I'm going to change the light bulb on the shift console because last night when I drive the car there's no light. And this is a 2007 Corolla, and compared to the other Corolla I have, when I shift it like reverse, neutral, the dashboard able to show me which gear I'm at, but for this particular model I don't, and that's why it's more necessary for me to change it, because I need to see where I'm shifting, especially when I need to back up, and I definitely don't want to run on second gear all the time. Please stay tuned. What I find out is from the Toyota website, this is the light bulb I need, 90981-11036, and based on my research, it's very similar to 168. And I have just happen to have some old 168 left long time ago, so I'm going to give it a try, because Toyota want almost I think they want almost $10 for one light bulb. So, and this is not too difficult to do, so I'm going to give 168 a try. So just like any car, I'm going to remove all the unnecessary item here and start from there. Okay, after remove all the unnecessary item, I'm going to remove this cover by using a porting knife so it won't damage the hinge. So just keep piling up. Here you go. And after that, there's a connection on the cigarette lighter. So just jiggle it out. And you can disconnect it or just put it aside. It's up to you. I'm going to just remove it for now. And it seems like they have another auxiliary power right here. So it seems like if you want to add any USB port or charger, you can tap from there, I think, or you can tap from the power to the cigarette lighter. So that's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to be removed. I'm going to remove it. After remove it, make sure don't drop it anywhere, otherwise you have to remove more stuff to retrieve it. And I just use, normally I put a magnet and put all my remove screw over there. Okay, all the screw has been removed, so I'm going to come over here and remove this two nuts. Those are 10 millimeter, and it was covered with a felt. So just take off the felt and you see it. And make sure you put back, because there's a coin over there, and there's a cigarette lighter. So if you want, you can add another USB port to charge your phone. I was surprised to give me two cigarette lighter. So, okay, this is 10 millimeter, and I'm going to put this back here and just okay, after this is removed, the two nut is removed, you just have to check out this console out. The light bulb is right there, so as long as we remove this, so we can reach the light bulb connection over there. So I just have to go to the back and check out this one out. And I found out the best way is lift this up and pull it this way, pull it back, and it should come out. See, see. Yeah, lift it up and pull back that way. Oh, I also forget to remove this part. This part is holding the console, so, and because of the handbrake is blocking it, so I have to remove this one. Okay, remove this one, nothing more than put the finger here and just pull back, and it's holding by some grip, so put your finger here and just pull it up. There's a grip here holding the console. I believe this is the cigarette lighter connection at the back. So I just use a plier, press it down, and then remove the wire. So just press it down. My hand is not strong. My finger is not strong. I use a plier to help. So basically just press it down and then pull the wire out. So now I can remove the whole console. After you put everything back, you make sure you connect this one, and then remember there's a T connection here for the cigarette lighter. Make sure you connect it back. So there's two connections, we need to put it back. So I'm going to sit in the back seat and pull and lift this up. Okay. I think the best way is lift this up so the handbrake will be out of the way and just straight up in this position. But of course, there's many ways to do this. Just find the way fit you the best. So the console is out. I'm going to clean it a little bit. It has so much dust, and same on this console. I'm going to clean it. So the light bulb is actually right under here. Right under here. Let me try to see which wire. So this is the one. The square is the one you need to turn and remove. So if you want, you can remove the top, but since I can reach it, I'm going to just turn this clockwise, and the light bulb will come out. So turn it clockwise. Turn it clockwise like this. After you turn clockwise, the light bulb, pull it down, and the light bulb will be like that. The green thing is to just a rubber, make it looks more pretty, like some green light. If you want brighter, you don't need that. So I'm going to stay with original. I put back the new one and put back the green cover. Maybe if you don't use the green one, it will be way too bright. So just pull it out, and remember the wire is a green wire, something like that, green and white. And when you remove this, turn this way, and then pull it down. When you install it, put it up, turn this way back, and lock it. The 168 looks like the same as the Toyota $10 bug. So I'm going to give this a try. 168. But some people actually at this time change it to using LED, because the LED supposed to last much longer and use much less power, electricity, battery, that kind of thing. But when you buy the LED, most of the time you buy almost 10. So I don't need 10, I only need 1 or 2. So I stick with the old-fashioned way light bulb. And I will keep you posted if this burn out much sooner than expected, or this burn didn't last long or anything like that. So if that's the case, I just have to redo again and using LED or using the Toyota original $10 bulb. Okay, please stay tuned. Install basically just the reverse. Put it back to the slot and everything in reverse. Oh, by the way, I forgot, I'm going to move this green cap to the new one. So everything will be original. Okay, I put back the green cap and I'm going to put it back. I'm going to just mark this so I have the number for reference later. Okay, everything go back in reverse. Oh, one more thing, before you put everything back, you should just test it by turning on the headlight to make sure the light bulb we put in is good. Okay, looks perfect. So green actually looks pretty good. Oh, now I know, because the this dashboard is green. I think they try to match the color of the dashboard, so it's green. And for the BMW, that would be blue. For certain car would be yellow and so forth. So I'm going to test it a couple more times. I tried to burn it out, so it did not. So So push it back, you just have to fill the hole and push it up, and then turn. When you turn, you have a click like this, okay, like this. I'm in the hole, now I turn. Here you go, so you have a kick. So I turn this way, I turn counterclockwise, like this. Basically, it's the reverse how you remove it. Now I'm going to clean the dashboard. There's a lot of dirt everywhere, so I'm going to vacuum this out, because this is probably another 10 years before I open this again. Please stay tuned. I'm cleaning this with the Fuel Free. It's a very good porter, and Armoron is also a very good porter. I clean this up, and I'm going to clean this too outside, so you won't have so many dirt. I find a lot of coffee here, Starbucks, burger, French fry, anything. So one thing I want to point out is Toyota actually is very good in quality. This thing is blocking anything drop to the wire, and same with this one, protecting the connection. And any exposed wire, you can tell they were double wrapped with tapes, so you can tell they think of everything, because when you drop anything, at least this will cover a little bit. Or if you have some sharp object or cutting, they would not cut the wire. So when you push down, so they did think of everything. And please stay tuned. I'm going to clean this up too. Much easier when everything is out of the car, so you can clean it up. So nice and clean. Okay, this is all clean, so pretty, just like brand new. And for those people who like to add USB port, this is the best time you do it, because the connection is all right here. And if you go YouTube, you can tap the power from here. And some people actually add some connection right around here for the back seat driver, backseat driver. So so since you remove it, this is the time to do it. Okay. So that two screw is going to go back here, and installation just like how you remove it. So I just remove the same way. Install it the same way as removal. I insert here first by tilting this way, and then I'm going to line up the handbrake and juggle all the way down and put in that two screw, which is this two, this two long one. In order to line this up, you see this little spike here, so this is supposed to go to this one, and this is the hole for the screw. And same on this one, this little spike thing go into that hole, and the left hole is for the screw. And these two bolts supposed to line up, which I have showed you earlier, that two hole for the bolt. Able to press in this two, and I heard a kick sound. And now the two bolt is almost lined up. See? So this two screw is halfway in, so I'm going to start putting this two in, this two, and tie up a little bit, so you won't lock in one way or tilt it or anything like that. Okay. Okay, I did a boo-boo. I have to untie this two nut because I lined up this one, but I did not line up over there. So he's supposed to slide inside there, but I did not. So I have to pull it out and re-slide one more time. Make sure this side and this side slide into the place. Okay, so just make sure you do this too. This line up, 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 but also this part need to be lined up and inserted. Okay, don't make the mistake I made. Okay, I think the best way to line this up is work around here. One hand push in this side, and one hand push in this side, and same on the other one. One hand push in here and one hand push in here. So now it's all lined up. Now I can screw back all the screw. This is all lined up and this is all lined up. After that, put back the 4 screw. But the most important thing is we connect the connector we remove. If you forgot this, then this cigarette lighter would not be working, or your new install LED USB port would not be working. So make sure you reconnect this, and later on we reconnect the cigarette lighter. That's the two connection we have removed. Now we have to remember to put it back or push that in. Just put this. After you put this in, you're supposed to hear a little kick, then you are done. And juggle a little bit, make sure you won't remove. Now tighten all these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after clean this up, just put this back. So that's 2 slots right here and 2 little hinge right here. So just line this up, just push this in. That's it. Okay, this is the last piece, all cleaned up, brand new. And there's a 4 hinge over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they go to 1, 2, 3, 4. So just position over there and just slap it in. And before you do that, just remember to hook up the connection to the cigarette lighter or for your USB charger. Okay? Just reconnect back to this one. You can't go wrong. It's you can only do one way. And when you push that in, you're supposed to hear a little kick like that. So you are good to go. And the other one, as I mentioned before, you must be auxiliary or certain auxiliary you need to buy. If you don't have that option, they leave it open. And you can test the power over there. Maybe that is something you can tap the power for your USB port, GPS, that kind of things. Okay, now we just put this back. slap that in, you also have a kick, and that's it. That's all, folks. Please subscribe, like, or comment. Thank you so much for watching. Just put back the valve, and there's a little cut over there because of the for the cigarette lighter. So just put that way. Otherwise, the valve will be cooked. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Okay, on the 7th day, let it be light. Yeah! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.